Every building has a story to tell. Yours is a story of daily challenges, like high utility bills, system downtime, cybersecurity concerns, nuisance alarms that take away time from more important work. A closer look may reveal fragmented building operations, limited staff with gaps in skills, and building performance reports that are difficult to make sense of. You have the building systems, sensors, and software. What you could use is some help. Working with Honeywell Building Performance Services, you'll get the technologies and services that best align with your needs and internal capabilities. We're here to ensure system uptime and energy savings. Whether you have one building or many, Honeywell Forge enables secure, two-way connectivity between your facilities. Monitor and manage building systems and capture energy analytics from wherever you are. Or we can do the work for you, freeing you to focus on your business. Led by a global team of service experts and engineers, Honeywell Building Operations Centers can reduce the daily burden of managing and maintaining your facilities.
Now we will create value for our customers at every stage of the building lifecycle. With business continuity plans and reliable support, our Honeywell Building Operations Centers are staffed 24/7, 365 with subject matter experts who proactively monitor our customer sites and look for anomalies, issues, and faults.
Since we became a valuable source of data and analysis for the customer, they have sometimes compared us as their nervous system, which tells them whenever it's wrong in one of their sites. We try to go beyond to give them a more accurate decision over their projects. This has opened a lot of doors for them that they didn't even realize before that they could be visualizing. This is where the real power of Connected comes in to the customers, and that's what they value the most.
We're able to solve many problems remotely. And when a problem requires a licensed technician on site, we can take care of that too. Alarm monitoring and repair services can improve uptime and reduce unplanned costs by repairing issues remotely. We can also enable a just-in-time maintenance model and perform basic preventative maintenance remotely. We also offer field services, as well as services to mitigate the risk from cyber threats. Honeywell Building Performance Services is part of the Honeywell Building Solutions business, which has comprehensive service offerings, operational technology, and ICT cyber specialists around the world serving our customers on-site and remotely. It's nice to know you have a trusted team of service experts watching out for your building every day.